Today's prompt is an operations one. So we're going to use some sample data here that's very small, but I would recommend you using your actual data and probably in two separate pieces of input here. So we're going to ask for, here's my current product inventory and average monthly sales. Predict which products will run out within the next 30 days and recommend optimal reorder quantities based on sales trends. So what you would upload here is your inventory information and your sales information, just transaction history. And then it's going to make this analysis for you. And obviously you can edit this prompt to suit your needs. But what we've come up with here is inventory forecast based on the uploaded data. So it's telling us that we have two products that are predicted to run out in the next 30 days, those being a keyboard and a docking station. And tells us what our current stock is, what our average monthly sales is, and days till out. Essentially, how many days do you have left till you're going to be at zero? How many to reorder, and then the supplier, because we had listed the supplier on our sample data that we had uploaded. And then it's giving us some insights here, about when we should order, maybe just based on how many we have, and then recommending that you obviously place a purchase order. Now, if you create a custom GPT or something like that, you could even give it the format of your PO or connect this to a system to use automation to create the purchase order. But I think this would be extremely powerful if you have your sales data and inventory data that you can extract from your system or connect it to an AI agent to pull this information on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis.